Happy Thursday, year 2. And I do apologise. After saying that I got so used to Zoom, I realised that halfway through my last video, for some reason, my screen didn't share. So actually, one of the images that I was actually talking through to you at one point, it wasn't there. And I do apologise. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it will work this time. I'm going to definitely be checking. And if it doesn't, I'll have to record it again. But we're back on Mathsbot. So, share screen, Miss Dyer. Here we are. Share. Fantastic. We've just been working between this and full screen where I'm working on my whiteboard. Fingers crossed it should all work. Okay, we're back here again. What do you notice? Talk to the person next to you at home. What can you see? Fantastic. We're also looking at groups again today, at those multiples. But what's different about this? You're quite right. They are groups of 5. So today we are looking at counting in 5s, multiples of 5s, those groups of 5. So as always, to get us warmed up, to get that practice in, a really quick way of counting quickly. It wouldn't be a good use of my time. It would take me forever to add if I was counting in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would be there all day. You can see that the product, the total number, is a big one. So we want to count quickly, efficiently, and accurately to our answer, to our total number. Off we go. Let's have some practice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Fantastic. You did a great job. Let's have another go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Have a go at home and practice with the person next to you by pausing the video now. Well done. Now you've had a practice at counting, let's have a go at ping pong. Exactly the same as the other day with your bats. You say a number. You could do this with the person next to you. We'll have a practice between you and I first of all. But you say a number to that person and they have to tell you what 5 more than that number is. So if I said to you 20 and I batted it to you, you would say 25. If I said 10 to you, you would bat to me 15, and so on. Have a go with the person next to you, and as always, if you want to put in that challenge and do 5 less with our subtraction, then you may do so. Pause the video now. Well done. Okay, so back to me again. So stop share. Here I am. Hopefully that's worked. I want your grown-up or somebody around you, might be an older brother or sister, to challenge you and to start saying to you about drawing. We're writing our calculations alongside that. But again, it really is about getting that language right, because it's where some of us get confused, because we need to think about how many groups there are, and we know that there are 5 in every group. So if somebody said to me, Miss Dyer, I want you to draw 6 groups of 5. How many groups were there, Miss Dyer? 6 groups of 5. So let's draw my groups first. How many circles do I need? Tell the person next to you. 6. Fantastic. And here are my 6 groups. How many were in each group? Can you remind me? Excellent. 5 were in each group. Let's do that. It's funny how we always draw, some of us, these groups of 5 like this, and I think it's from looking at a die. There you go. There are my 5s. I've got 6 groups of 5. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, we wrote this in 2 calculations the other day. So first of all, let's put my 5s underneath. Didn't do a very straight line this one. There you go. And what was it that we were looking at? Aha, I remember. It was our addition symbol where we add 5 each time and our total amount, our product, is getting bigger. So let's put my addition symbol in between each of those. What was the total number again? Can somebody remind me? Yes, it was 30. Let's double check that again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Brilliant stuff. But there is a quicker way to write this. I wonder if anybody at home can show their grown-up using their eyes the action. Pause the video now. Let's see if you were right. Aha! And remember what we say? This means groups. I wonder if we can whisper that to the ceiling. This means groups. This means groups. It's that multiples. So, how many groups did we have again? We had 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5, 5 groups of 5, 6 groups of 5. So let's write that. 6 groups of 5 is equal to 30. Fantastic. And you can write that in several different ways. So you could start with the answer first. 30 is equal to 6 times 5, like this. You don't always have to write it finishing with the answer. We can start with the answer. And I wonder, again, as an additional challenge, remember, only if you're super confident, if some of those children can use this symbol. And I believe that lots of you messaged me to say, Miss Dyer, this symbol is the division symbol. And we can use this. We'll be coming on to this later in the term. So I don't want to confuse those of you that aren't ready for it. But if you want to have a go unpicking and understanding the symbol at home with your grown-up, that is absolutely fine to do so. Can't wait to see lots of these on your dojos later. So have a good go at this with your grown-up telling you what groups to draw. Remember, we're working in groups of 5, and have a go at writing it as an addition calculation and then in various ways using your multiplication symbol. Can't wait to see them, and I will see you tomorrow for our final maths lesson. Bye.